We start by digging a small hole like this, making sure the soil is rich. Then we carefully place the cabbage seedling inside.
The tomatoes are looking good today.
They are. Could you help me with these stubborn weeds here?
Make sure the roots are completely covered.
Like this. We should water them before the sun gets too high.
We place the seedling deep enough so the wind doesn't break it.
And then we gently cover the roots like this. Make sure the knot is firm enough to hold the weight.
Is this tight enough?
Yes, that looks good. The plants are doing well. The stew smells wonderful. Taste it, I think it's almost ready.